Today we are going to talk about triangle similarity theorems. This is for geometry TEKS G7A and G7B. Okay. So the first theorem we're going to talk about is side, side, side. The side, side, side rule states that two triangles are similar if all three pairs of corresponding sides are proportional. You can't check just two sides. You have to check all three sides. So what we're checking for here is, does each side that corresponds, I'm going to highlight for you, AB to DE, we're going to compare those to BC, EF, and then we're going to compare those to AC and DF. Do they have the same proportions? So if I do the red one first, AB is 8, and I'm going to divide it by, so I'm going to put this over this. So 8 over 4. Is it equal to? And now I'm going to check BC. So I'm going to go put BC over EF. Now, how do I know these sides are matching? Triangle ABC, triangle DEF. So I do each segment. I did AB and DE. Now I'm going to do BC with EF. So I'm going to put 6 over 3. And the last one I'm going to check is AC over DF. So AC over DF. If I were to divide all of these fractions and figure out what the proportion is, I would get 2 equals 2 equals 2. Since they all have the same fraction, the same reduction, these are proportional by side, side, side. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So now our next one, again, we have to set up all three sides. So we're going to start with AB over DE. So AB, let me do some highlighting here. AB over DE, is it equal to BC over EF? And is that equal to AC over DF? So 12 over 3, is it equal to 9 over 4? And is that equal to 15 over 5? Well, 12 over 3 reduces to 4. 9 over 4 is 2.25. So I already know my answer. So these triangles are not similar. So the way I wrote this, okay, triangle ABC is not similar to triangle DEF. Okay, so that is the rule of side, side, side. Now we get into side, angle, side. So the side, angle, side rule states that the two triangles are similar if the ratio of the corresponding sides is equal, and also the angle formed by the two sides is equal. So what we're looking here is I see this line here matches this line here. So the angle part does match. So now we got to check just the two sides. And if the two sides are proportional, so this I'm going to do A, B, and DE. If the two sides are proportional, then yes, these triangles are similar. So first we're going to check, I did that red one, BC. I'm going to put 15 over 10. Is it equal to 18 over 12? If I were to reduce these ratios, I would have 3 over 2 equals 3 over 2. These are similar. So I would write that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. For the second set, again, we look for that angle. Do they have a corresponding angle? So this angle matches. So even if the shape gets smaller or larger, the angle can still remain the same. So it does have the included angle. And now I'm going to check 12 over 8. Is it the same as 16 over 10? 12 over 8, if I were to reduce that, I get 3 over 2. And if I were to reduce 16 over 10, I get 8 over 5. These do not have the same ratio, therefore they are not similar. Make sure you write that down, that those triangles are not similar because they did not have the same ratio. Okay? Now we're getting into our third rule. Our third rule is angle-angle. This one's probably the easiest one. So the angle-angle rule states that two triangles are similar if two of their angles are equal. So whether you are going to dilate this image, which means you're going to get smaller, get larger, your reduction, enlargement, no matter what you do, those angles stay the same. It's like when you zoom in on a picture. So let's look at these, okay? We start off with 60 and 60. Great. It has one angle the same. And now I have a 65 and a 70, but I still have to look for that third angle. So what you can do here to find that third angle, so no, those numbers don't match. But what I want to check is this angle 70 and is this angle 65? So remember that all triangles have a 180. So I'm going to take 60 plus 65, subtract from 180. That means that this angle is 55 when it had to be 70. So they don't have two angles the same, because if I found this over here, this one's going to be 50 because I would add the two angles and subtract. Just so if you're missing an angle, you might have to find it, okay? Do they have two matching angles? They do not. Therefore, those two triangles are not similar. So let's check that second triangle. So we have a 60 matches a 60. We have the 50 matching the 50. If two angles are the same, therefore you have proven that these two triangles are similar. Okay? So we have those three rules. We can figure out if they are similar by using side, 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 angle, or angle, angle. So let's look at this first one. I do have a matching angle. I have two 90-degree angles. So I'm either going to look at angle, angle, or side, angle, side. What else do I have in this picture? I have the two sides. So what I'm going to match with here is I'm going to do the 24 over 15. Is it the same ratio as 16 over 10? So 24 over 15 over 16 over 10. 24 over 15 reduces to 8 over 5, and 16 over 10 also reduces to 8 over 5. Therefore, you guys ready for this sentence? We're going to say that the triangles are similar because of side, angle, side. So if it wants a similarity statement, the statement is that the triangles are similar. And how did we know? Because the sides were proportional and the angle in between them was the same. Let's look at example 2. What do we have here? We have 3 sides. They both have 3 sides. So we're going to go with the side, 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 and we're going to see if they have the same ratios. So we're going to do 50 over 40. So 50 over 40. Does it equal to 35 over 25? And does it equal to 40 over 30? Okay, go ahead and reduce each one of these. Pause it here if you want to practice this one. As you can see, none of those sides have the same ratio. Therefore, these triangles are not similar. Again, the triangles were not similar, and we proved it. We looked using the side, side, side method, okay? We've got a couple more practice problems. So just 2 more, and we'll end it here. So let's look at this picture right here. All we have in this picture, we have angles. But this angle does match this angle. This angle has one arc. This angle has one arc. Therefore, these triangles are similar. And the reason we're going to use is the angle-angle theorem. So again, that one's usually our favorite one, our easiest one, just because we're just looking at the angles. And triangle 4, so ABC, DEF. Ooh, this one's a little bit tricky. And I want you to, if we look at this, we're like, you know what? No, these don't look similar. Okay, but be careful. We are going to match up AB. So let's think of ABC and DEF. So to match up the sides, AB is going to go with DE. So AB with DE. So I'm going to put 22 over 11. And then we're going to do BC with EF. So BC and EF. And the last one we're going to do is we're going to do AC with DF. This one's probably a little bit tricky, okay? AC, DF. So 16 over 8. And if I were to divide each of these, guess what? They all had a ratio of 2. So even though these triangles don't look like they're similar, this triangle right here is similar. It was just rotated. It's on its side. This side was rotated. So these triangles are similar because of side, side, side. Hopefully with these practice questions, you understood a little bit of how you can prove that triangles are similar to each other. Again, you have the 3 rules: side, angle, side, 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 or angle, angle. Hope you have a great day.